हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लेसन वन पार्ट टू को तुमको स्वागत। पार्ट वन आम आगे देखी नाउन संबंध में किसी जमती व्हाट इज नाउन, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन ए संबंध में आम किसी जानी। एबे आम पार्ट टू रे नाउन संबंधी एमती किसी सेंटेंस देखा जो आम जापर जे आम कि प्रकार भूल बा एरर कर संभावना थाए एवं से सबू एरर को आम किपरि सुधारिबा ता मते देखिबा तार सठिक उत्तर कौन आम जानिबा। जदि कहीं पूर्वर पार्ट वन देखी ना हो ताहेले पार्ट वन को तुम्हें थोड़े भल भाव देखी नेले पार्ट टू बुझा सहज हम। ताहले आरंभ करिबा आमे आज लेसन वन पार्ट टू। मु प्रत्येक नंबर पढ़ला परे नंबर वन नंबर टू ऐसे पढ़ला परे मु 10 सेकंड पर्यंत गोटे पॉज नेबी, किसी विराम नेबी। से समय तुम टिके चिंता करिबा कौन तार सटीक उत्तर हो पारे, तापरे मु तुमको तार उत्तर तुम आगे रखी। तो आम यही प्रोसेस रे जीवा आगु। नंबर वन, alms is given to the poor. Alms is given to the poor. तार सठिक वाक्य है alms are given to the poor. Alms are given to the poor because alms is a word which is always used in plural. तो सठिक उत्तर है alms are given to the poor. Number two, athletics are regularly practiced in India. Athletics are regularly practiced in India. सठिक उत्तर टी चिंता कल। एथलेटिक्स आर रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस्ड इन इंडिया। सठिक उत्तर है एथलेटिक्स इज रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस्ड इन इंडिया। एथलेटिक्स इज रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस्ड इन इंडिया कारण एथलेटिक्स इज ए वर्ड which is used as a singular although looks like plural, it is used as singular. So सही उत्तर है athletics is regularly practiced in India. एबे आसीबा में नंबर 3, the police has arrested the thief. The police has arrested the thief. Just think about the answer. The police has arrested the thief. सठिक उत्तर है the police have arrested the thief. The police have arrested the thief कारण सही उत्तर है कारण police is a word used as plural, always used as plural. That is why the correct answer, the police have arrested the thief. एबे आसीबा नंबर 4 को, the cattle is grazing in the field. The cattle is grazing in the field. Think about the answer. The right sentence is the cattle are grazing in the field. The cattle are grazing in the field. Cattle, it is a collective noun and it takes a plural verb. The cattle are grazing in the field. तो सही उत्तर है cattle are grazing in the field. Then number 5, Have you collected all the informations regarding the accident? ମୁଁ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ବାର ପଢୁଛି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟା Have you collected all the informations regarding the accident? सठिक वाक्यटी है Have you collected all the information? Not information, it is information regarding the accident. कारण information रो singular plural both. Information it is not at all used as plural. So information, have you collected all the information? It's the right sentence. Then number 6. I have decided to follow all your advices. I have decided to follow all your advices. Sentence टी हला I have decided to follow all your advices. पिलाए सठिक उत्तरटी हला I have decided to follow all your advice. एडवाइस रो प्लुरल फॉर्म करे एडवाइसेस व्यवहार करे जाय नाही. एडवाइस I have decided to follow all your advice. तो एबे आसीबा में सेंटेंस नंबर 7 को I want to buy some new furnitures this month. Sentence टी हला I want to buy some new furnitures this month. Think about the answer. The right sentence is I want to buy some new furniture this month. Furniture, this word itself is plural. Hence, no furnitures, only furniture. I have decided to, or I want to buy some new furniture this month. Then, question number 8. Sentence number 8. I have an important work at Bhubaneswar. I have an important work at Bhubaneswar. Think about the right sentence. सठिक उत्तरटी हला बा सठिक सेंटेंस टी हला I have an important piece of work. I have an important piece of work at Bhubaneswar. Instead of an important work, the right answer is I have an important piece of work at Bhubaneswar. Then number 9. The field's length is 120 meters. क्वेश्चन को पुणी रिपीट करूची. The field's length is 120 meter. The right answer, the right sentence it is, the length of the field is 120 meters. Instead of length, field's length, you have to write length of the field. आमे जेपरी व्यवहार करू राम्स बुक, हरीज पेंसिल, जेपरी लिविंग बिंग करपोजिशन व्यवहार पाई आमे ना पर गोटे ना पृष्ठभूमि देई एस यूज करू राम्स बुक, हरीज पेंसिल सेटा नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स पाखरे हुए नहीं, तेणु फील्ड्स लेंथ न होई कि जगह हम लेंथ ऑफ द फील्ड. सो सठिक उत्तर टी है द लेंथ ऑफ द फील्ड इज 120 मीटर्स. एबे आसीबा हमें सेंटेंस 10 को. His hair has turned grey. प्रश्नटी बा वाक्यटी है his hair has turned grey. सठिक वाक्यटी है his hair has turned grey. Hair an uncountable noun, as an uncountable noun it has no plural form. His hair has turned grey. एबे आसीबा हमें प्रश्न वाक्य 11 को. Everyone must do their duty. Everyone must do their duty. सठिक उत्तरटी है everyone must do his or her duty. His or her duty. Everyone ये his और her pronoun नेब. Everyone must do his or her but not their. Then प्रश्न वाक्य 12. Neither of his two sons are intelligent. Neither of his two sons are intelligent. सठिक उत्तरटी है neither of his two sons is intelligent. दुई जन पुओं मध्यरु गोटिए माने सिंगुलर, hence it will take a plural singular sub verb. Neither of his two sons is intelligent. एबे हमें देखिबा प्रश्न वाक्य 13. Eatables is not allowed in railway station. Eatables is not allowed in railway station. सठिक उत्तरटी है eatables are not allowed. The word eatables means खाइबा योग्य बा खाद्य पदार्थ. यह केवल प्लुराल यह प्लुराल अटे एवं प्लुराल भार साथी रे नब सो इटेबल्स आर नॉट अलाउड इन रेलवे स्टेशन इटेबल्स इज नॉट अलाउड wrong sentence wrong expression the right expression eatables are not allowed in railway station next 14 the news were broadcasted yesterday the news were broadcasted yesterday think about the right sentence the news were broadcasted yesterday what is the right sentence the right sentence is the news was broadcasted news although looks like a plural noun it is used as always used as singular the news was broadcasted yesterday then 15th or the last sentence of this lesson politics so consider that politics is a filthy game so consider that politics are a filthy game some consider that politics are filthy game think about the right sentence the right sentence is some consider that politics is a filthy game is a filthy game politics though this noun is used always used as a singular and it takes always take a singular verb so the right sentence it is some consider that politics is a filthy game तो पिलाए आमे एहीपरी गुड़ाए भूल बा एरर आम करिबार यथेष्ट संभावना थाए तेणु आमे से अनुसार यदि आमे सतर्क रहिबा बारंबार आम प्रैक्टिस बा अभ्यास करिबा ताले मोर विश्वास आमे निश्चित रूप से लिखिबा एवं कहिबारे आमे हमर जो भूल बा त्रुटि विच्युति ताको आमे बहु परिमाण रे संशोधन करि परिबा 100% निर्भूल कहिबा बा लिखिबा जदियो संभव होई न पारे तथापि आमे हमर भूल बा त्रुटि को बहु परिमाण रे मिनिमाइज करि दे परिबा बा कमाई दे परिबा तो आमे आज एतिकी आमे पुणी परवर्ती लेसन सह आसुचु धन्यवाद जय हिंद।